Welcome. Question 20. The radius and the height of a circular base cylinder is given as 8 centimeters and 14 centimeters respectively. We have to find the curved surface area. Remember, the cylinder is of this nature. Then the radius, either for the base or the top, is given as 8 centimeters. The height is given as 14. How do you find the curved surface area? It is given by 2 pi r what? H. If you check my playlist on YouTube as under means restriction 2, you get all these formula being derived. So we are just going to do substitution. 2 times pi times radius times the height, 14, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. We have 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 22, that will be 88 times what? 8, in this case, centimeter square. From this side, what do we do? That will be 80 times 8. That will be 600 and what? 40 plus 64. So 407. So we have what? 700 and what? 4 centimeter square. You can do that with your calculator and check the option that will best fit, which will be the B. Alright, thanks for watching. Let's come back for more.